Imagine one night you look up and the moon is gone. No trace, just darkness. Without the moon's gravity, Earth's balance starts to crumble. The invisible pull that shaped our tides is gone. Ocean tides would lose rhythm. Some shores would flood, others would dry up forever. The moon once stabilized our tilt. Without it, Earth begins to wobble, and chaos spreads through the skies. Summer might last for years, then vanish into endless winter. Seasons would lose their rhythm forever. Our nights would be darker than ever. The moonlight that guided humanity erased from the sky. Animals that depend on moonlight lose their way. Life begins to stumble in the dark. Humans would feel the void, not just through our eyes, but deep within our hearts. Earth's crust would stretch and twist. Volcanoes awaken, shaking the planet to its core. No companion remains. Only Earth, spinning alone in the cold sea of stars. Earth's axis begins to wobble wildly. Without the moon's steady hand, the planet descends into chaos. Storms will no longer follow seasons. They'll rise at random and never truly fade. With seasons gone, farming collapses. The earth itself becomes unpredictable. No one knows when to sow again. Coastal cities, once thriving by the tides, are now swallowed by the restless sea. With no lunar cycle, calendars lose meaning. Humanity drifts away from nature's rhythm. Moonlight once calmed our minds. Without it, sleep and emotions spiral out of balance. From insects to tides, life once danced to the moon's rhythm. Now that rhythm is gone and life unravels, even our machines would suffer. Satellites drift, navigation falters. Chaos spreads beyond nature. Day and night stretch unevenly. One side burns in endless light, the other freezes in eternal dark. Without the moon, would humanity remain the same? Or are we just lost creatures in the endless void? The earth is no longer in balance. The oceans and the skies rage as if the planet itself were angry. Some deserts freeze, while others burn. The line between heat and cold is erased. Trees bloom in snow, leaves fall in summer. Nature has lost its rhythm. Without moonlight, the ocean becomes a maze. Ships wander endlessly in the dark. The night sky loses its anchor. Astronomers look up and see only emptiness. But humanity doesn't surrender. In the darkness, they begin designing a new moon. A project called Lunar Rebirth takes shape, a plan to build an artificial satellite to replace the moon. A new moon, artificial, cold, and flawless, begins to glow in the dark. As the light returns, humanity weeps. Only now do we realize the true value of what was lost. The Earth has a moon again, not the one we lost, but the one we built from hope. Those who once lived under the real moon now carry only memories. They tell stories of a sky that used to shine. Children grow beneath the artificial moon. They've never seen the real one, yet somehow they feel its beauty through us. Science remembers, yet can never recreate perfection. Every grain of lunar dust remains a mystery of nature. Only when we lost what seemed eternal did we realize the moon made us more human. Life adapts to the new light. Nature rewrites itself, forever changed. Humanity moves forward, carrying the memory of the moon, as if carrying the soul of Earth itself. That light echoes through space, a whisper from the past, reminding us how fragile existence truly is. If the moon could speak, perhaps it would simply whisper, "Don't forget, I was here."